Hi cuties, Grace here. Today we are going to draw Among Us character. So let's get started. To draw Among Us, draw a curve slightly down here and a straight line here. So now we are going to draw a curve here as its length and stop at here. So continue with the line here and also a curve here and draw outward. So we continue drawing its head. A curve here and stop here. So here I imagine the eye here. And finally, one more curve around here. Okay, now we have finished the drawing. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. See you later.